There's no doubt that communication is a cornerstone of good business. Eloquently conveying your message to the market is an expectation on even the smallest of businesses. But even if you communicate well on the phone, in an email or in front of a crowd, how well do you really connect online, on video? I'm Tim Stackpole, and along with Adrian McLean of the Speakers Practice, we break down video presentation into the fundamentals during our effective on-camera presentation workshops. Working with you on your delivery and your script, we'll give you feedback on why what you're doing right now isn't working and share tips and tricks to make your personal video presentation more engaging and more effective.
I'm a nervous chartered accountant. The Speakers Practice has assisted me make videos for my website. The process has been easy and they've helped a great deal.
As a marketing person, it's great to help small businesses get themselves up on a video on their website. The Speakers Practice has helped us to get our clients to produce professional videos that are personal and bring their business to life on their website.